Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys text size. How can we set get default text size in a vivo phone? Get default font size guys you can say. So you want to set get default font size in your vivo phone. So guys you can set it and guys now let's see how to set default text size. So first of all guys we will have to come in our guys phone settings. So guys we will click here, then guys scroll it guys, you can see your display and brightness. So guys tap here, then guys again scroll guys, you can see your font and display size. So guys tap here and guys you can see your font size, large size. So you can see guys extra large, large, default and small size. So guys we want to set into default size. So we will click on default size, then guys this, as you can see guys, this font size will in default. As you can see your text size is default text size. So like that guys, you can set your default text size in your vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default text size in our vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet the next video guys with the topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.